That's why you are in this video. First of all, congratulations to everybody who are watching this video currently right now. Okay, thank you for completing this free digital marketing course, and you are now learned how to design websites and what client needs. Everything you have learned these 6 lessons. So my humble request for every person who are watching this video currently right now, so the main thing is how you can get clients from online. Now you had learned how to design website and you are able to design others website also. Now the main thing is you need clients from online to design websites, right? So make sure get your hosting from Bluehost with my link and send me the screenshot on my Instagram. I will give you the link below of my Instagram. Send me the screenshot of Bluehost hosting while you purchasing. Get a screenshot. I will send 3 bonuses. So I will have, as I promise you, I am giving only 2 bonuses, but I will give you 3 bonuses. So to get bonuses, you have to send me the screenshot of purchasing hosting with my link. Don't think of like that he is doing something of it. Yes, but it would be more helpful to you guys. So send me the screenshot and get the 3 bonuses from my side. So this is the whole thing I want to tell you guys. Get me on Instagram. Until then, bye. Have a good day.